はい、皆さん、こんにちは。マカラと申します。今日もよろしくお願いします。一緒に日本語を勉強しましょうね。はい、メニュー、บัญชีมุกมาโฮบหรือมันหน่วยメニューすみません、メニューを見せてください。すみません、メニューを見せてください。សូមទោសសូមបង្ហាញបញ្ជីមុខម្ហូប Excuse me, could you show us the menu? Excuse me, could you show us the menu? Okay, and then susum, susume というのは、ផ្ដល់យោបល់、ផ្ដល់អនុសាសន៍ recommendation どれがおすすめですか？どれがおすすめですか？តើផ្ដល់យោបល់មួយណាដែរ Which would you recommendation? Which would you recommendation? Okawari. Time. Are happy? Okawari wa dou desu ka? Hai, onegai shimasu. Okawari wa dou desu ka? Hai, onegai shimasu. តើចង់ថែមទេបាទឬក៏ចាស់សុំថែមមួយមក Would you like a helping? Would you like a helping? And then obento បាយប្រអប់ pack lunch 毎朝 obento は使っているんですか? 毎朝 obento 使っているんですか? តើអ្នកធ្វើយកបាយប្រអប់មករាល់ព្រឹកឬ Would you pack a lunch every morning? Would you pack a lunch every morning? Okay, and then 会計というのは bill 会計も済みましたか? តើអ្នកបានបង់លុយហើយឬនៅ? Have you already set the bill? Have you already set the bill? Okay, oyasu. You know oyasu នំចំណី snack おやつをたくさん食べるとご飯が食べらなくなる。そうですね。おやつがたくさん食べるとご飯が食べられなくなる。そうですよ。បើញ៉ាំនំចំណីច្រើនលេងចង់ញ៉ាំបាយល្ងាចហើយ If you have too many snacks, you won't be able to eat dinner. Right. If you have too many snacks, you won't be able to eat dinner. Right. I support. And then cup ペンにるか cup このカップは水を入れてください。このカップに水を入れてください。សូមទៅយកកៅដាក់នៅក្នុងពេលមួយនេះមក Please fill this cup with water. Please fill this cup with water. Okay. And then door, door, 扉 door を閉める but 扉 to open the door, to close the door, to open the door, to close the door. Okay. And then juga កម្រា floors, floors 床が滑りやすいので気をつけてください。床が滑りやすいので気をつけてください。សូមប្រុងប្រយ័ត្នចំពោះកម្រាងាយរអិលប្រយ័ត្នដួល The floor is slippery. Be careful. Okay. すぐへตกหรือ desk ではテスト始まります。机の上に何も置かないでください。អញ្ចឹងសូមចាប់ផ្ដើមការប្រឡងសូមកុំដាក់របស់អ្វីទាំងអស់នៅលើតុព្រោះវាជាការប្រឡងណា。ではテスト始めましょう。机の上に何も置かないでください。Okay, we are going to start the test now. Please don't list anything on your desk. I speak again, okay? We are going to start the test now. Please don't list anything on your desk. Okay? Okay, so I review again about English and Japan. Menu, you know menu is sumimasen, menuを見せてください. Excuse me, could you show us the menu? おすすめというのは recommendation どれがおすすめですか which would you recommendation? おかわり other helping more one more or not would you like other helping お弁当 pack lunch 毎朝お弁当を作っているんですか Do you pack a lunch every morning? 会計というのは bill bill 会計も済みましたか Have you already set the bill? おやつ snack おやつがたくさん食べるとご飯が食べられなくなるそうですね If you have too much any snack you won't be able to eat dinner It is that real And then cup このカップに水を入れてください このカップに水を入れてください Please fill this cup with water Door, you know door を開ける door を閉める To open the door, to close the door Okay 床 It is mean that floor 床が滑りやすいので気をつけてください The floor is a slippery Be careful 机です OK ではテスト始まります机の上に何も置かないでください OK we are going to start the test now Please don't list anything on your test Okay so it is that finished Thank you everyone that watching my video はいお疲れ様ですバイバイ